Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the construction of the Ascent building on Oxford Road. So this is the construction site. Now, not much has been done since they started the project in February. The project is still on. Now, what I've heard is that they're waiting until One Belmont is finished because the same team that's doing One Belmont is going to build this building. I'm not sure if that is the only reason why this project hasn't done more, but this is the latest update. I know we had said we'd give you guys updates on this project every 2 weeks. But I think we'll wait until they actually start. Now, some stuff is going on, but nothing on the pace at which it should be moving. That's Oxford Road that you're looking at straight ahead, and that's the car dealership there on the left, and that white blue wall is the boundary of the building. Every time I look at this lot, so where the car dealership is to where that green building is, that is the width of, that's Oxford Road there, that's the width of the Ascent. Every time I look at this, I'm amazed at how they're going to put a 27-floor building, the tallest building in Jamaica, on a lot this size. It's just goes to show you what you can do these days with technology. Okay, that building you're looking at on the left is the NCB Tower, and that green building you're looking at is the Mayberry building. Now, One Belmont is scheduled to finish, I think it's October. No, not October, September, October, sometime between now and the end of the year. That building is actually over 80% complete. And that building is 9 floors, but it's a massive building. Very nice building. We actually have videos up of it, so you can check it out. But everybody's eagerly awaiting this building to start and finish, because this building, the Ascent, is going to be the tallest building in Jamaica at 27 floors. Now, the tallest building in Jamaica as of today is officially the Rogers. It's no longer the Pegasus, it's the Rogers. The Rogers has passed the Pegasus, which is 17 floors. The Rogers, the last time I think we did a video, it was at 18 floors, so it's probably even higher now. We will give you guys an update on the Rogers no later than Sunday. Now, straight ahead, the building on the right, that's the NCB Tower, and then the one straight ahead is another NCB Tower. One is a North Tower and one is a South Tower. Not sure which one is which. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today, and as soon as they step up the pace of the construction, we will be here to give you updates. That's actually One Belmont we're looking at now, which is literally across the road. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And also leave your comments in the section below. Why do you think this building is moving so slow? Alright guys, have a good day.